Hello. Yeah, you come just now. You can log in, and I will allow you. Come. Yeah. Hello. 1 minute. 1 minute. Hold on. Hold on, please. I am using my. Yeah. Hello. 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 Your sound is not you. Your audio is not used. Yeah.
Okay,
Hello.
sir.
Hello.
I am audible.
Yeah. Now you are audible. Good.
Okay,
Very,
sir.
very good. Very good. You look nice.
Oh,
You,
thank you.
you look very nice. What is your full name?
Palli Kumar, sir.
Pardon. Pardon.
Pallikonda Ranadhir Kumar.
Yeah. Kumar. Kumar. We will call you Kumar for the time being. Very good.
Okay.
Kumar, welcome for this
Okay.
session. Now, please, your main concern was about that group behavior or group, not discussion,
Group
group functioning or
group
group
task. Task.
group group.
Task.
Very good, excellent.
Mm.
Could you see some of my videos on group concept in SBI PO? How it will be, you know that? Have you heard about that?
No, sir.
No. See what they will do.
No, sir.
They will tell you what are the various important things. They will give you some 8 items. What are the 3 important
Okay.
things you will look into before taking up a job in a company? They will
Okay.
list out the 8 points. For example, the first will be, say, probably
Mm.
salary. It can be, first one will be salary. Second, job security.
Okay.
Third, promotion chances.
Mm.
Fourth, the position of the company. Likewise, they will give you 8 items. If you really
Okay.
want what they have given you there, I will send you the link of some of the videos I have posted in 2019. So, I mean,
Okay, sir.
this is one concept. For example, supposing you are buying a house, what are the things you will be looking into before buying a house? I will look into whether it must be an independent house. There must be
Okay.
medical shops nearby the house. There must be good
Mm.
transport communication for going to the house. Likewise,
Okay.
there can be
Okay.
another thing also, like for example, supposing you buy a smart, this question was asked really, and the first question I told you was also asked really. Supposing you buy a
Mm.
smartphone, what are the things you
Mm.
will look into before buying a smartphone? They will give you GB, some RAM, ROM, so many things, so many items they will give you. Among those items,
Mm.
you will have to arrange them first independently. First, as
Okay.
an individual, independent person, you will arrange them, which is important and all that. Afterwards, the group task will be, you will be asked to sit in a group of 10 or 12 people, and the
Mm.
group of 10 or 12 people, you will be asked to arrange them in the order of priority. The group has to have a
Mm.
discussion and come to a consensus. You cannot go for voting. Come on, all of you say RAM is more important. Please raise your hand as the first one. No, not that way.
Okay.
You will start the
Okay.
discussion. I consider RAM as more important because RAM only, if it is more, it the smartphone will be able to work very well.
Okay.
Okay. Another person will say,
Mm.
no, no, that is not very important. What is important is storage capacity. It must be 128
Oh.
GB storage. Likewise, they will discuss. So when you discuss, when
Mm.
they discuss in the group, whether you are participating with involvement, with dedication, with
Okay.
interest, with
Mm.
involvement, are you simply accepting whatever others are telling, or are you trying to know the reason and then agree for this? This is what they
Okay.
will do. This is one group task.
Okay,
Another
sir.
type of group task can be like another type of group task can be some say some materials can be given to you. Materials can be given
Okay,
to
sir.
you, and using the materials, they will ask you to make out things within 10 minutes or 15 minutes. They will allot time. And as a group,
Okay.
you will have to come out with a target, how many you can make within these 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Then
Okay, sir.
whether you are participating in that discussion actively, what is your involvement in that? Are you playing the role as a leader of the group, or are you one among the many followers? What types of
Mm.
suggestions are you giving? This the observers will be watching. Observers will be
Okay, sir.
watching you, whether you are putting yourself into the picture, like giving your views actively and try to influence others like that. Here, what is important is neither you should overplay nor
Mm.
you should underplay. So that
Okay.
is the most important thing. Could you could you follow? అర్థమైందా?
Fine, sir. Okay.
అర్థమైంది, right? So
Right.
you must be able to play say you must actively participate at the same time, not
Mm.
give a feeling that you are trying to dominate.
Okay.
Domination should not be there. Okay. Or
Okay,
you
sir.
should not be a loner. Loner means you just keep away from others.
Okay, sir.
Like these are some of the points. This is nothing but what is happening in real life also. Supposing you join an organization, what type of behavior will you exhibit? That is what they would like to see you by giving this exercise. In State Bank of
Okay.
India, normally they have been following this one. I will, if time permits, I will go through those videos and post them,
Okay.
or try to bring out what are the various concepts they give. I mean, this is one, like buying a house, buying a smartphone.
Mm.
Um,
Okay.
like in another case, these electrical vehicles, introduction of
Mm.
electrical vehicle. That was a GD topic. Introduction of GD electrical vehicle. Is it a good one, or is it the right time or not right time? That this was asked 2 years back.
Mm.
2 years back. Okay, that is right. Good. This is what is group task. Any doubts about group task, please? I will give
No.
you. I will give you a site, like for example, group. Note down groupdiscussionideas.com. Groupdiscussionideas.com.
Ideas.com. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
there nearly 100 topics are given. Current topics are also. If you go through that, that will give you an idea for answering questions in the interview also. Or
Okay.
if they want you to tell some points in GD, you can use that. I mean, these things you can use it while talking also. For example, electrification or Jal Shakti, something like that, it can be useful. Any doubts on group tasks?
No, sir. No.
Now you are very clear.
Yes, sir.
Now, can you explain to me what do you understand by group task in English?
Okay.
What is group task? As I told you, maybe they will give you something else. But what is that group task I told you? How far have you understood that? Please tell me.
Okay. Group task is a topic which is given by the uh, observer. He can observe what is the
Or you can
listening.
call them examiners,
Okay.
or you can call them facilitators.
Okay.
Their different names can be given.
Okay. Then he
Facilitator.
can analyze.
uh,
Okay. Sir. Then they are analyzing the candidates' listening or capability of how to interact with other people. What is the conclusion of a group? What is the conclusion of the group? How he behave the other people? He
Very
suggests
good.
the people or he cannot.
Yeah, that is very good. How the candidate was behaving in the group task. Understand?
Okay.
How the candidate was behaving in the
Yes,
group
sir.
task. That was very important. You told that point very
Mm,
nicely. Good.
mm.
So now this is very good. What you told is very nice. Now, first of all, you must get out of the fear. Do you have fear now to participate in an interview?
No,
No.
sir. Little bit.
Acha, is this the first interview you are attending or
Yes, sir.
first interview?
This
Oh,
interview, sir.
first interview. Acha, doesn't matter. For anything, first time when we do, it will be difficult, but you should not have any fear. It will
Okay.
be very interesting experience for you. All the other candidates who are going to come are also similar to Kumar.
Yes,
So there should
yes,
not
sir.
be any problem. Okay,
Okay.
good. Now, shall I start general interview so that I can
Yes.
tell you some more points also? Mr.
Okay, sir.
Kumar, you are from which city?
Sir, I belongs to Telangana. I belongs to Nirmal. This is a Telangana state. In
Oh,
Telangana state.
Nirmal is in Telangana.
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Nearby Basara.
Basara. Where is Basara?
Basara is a Saraswati temple. It
Oh,
is a nearby my village.
acha. Which is the biggest city near this?
Biggest city is Nizamabad.
Oh, now I understand.
Nizam.
1 minute. I'll switch on this AC. How is the summer in your Hyderabad? Very hot, na?
Yes, sir. Very hot.
Very hot. Arey Baba. You are now in a village or in a city?
I am in a home, sir.
In the
Village.
village only. Acha, acha. In your village, all the facilities have come, like say, cell phone,
Yes,
internet, everything has
yes,
come. You
yes,
are
yes.
having broadband.
Yes, sir. I am having broadband.
Acha,
Broadband
what is the speed of your broadband?
30 Mbps.
Only.
Only 30 Mbps.
Arey Baba, only 30 Mbps. Acha, how much are they charging per month?
It's an annual premium, annual, sir. 8,000.
Ore
They will
Baba.
charge annual.
8,000. Oh Baba. Here, you don't have Airtel connection and all that, na? Airtel may not
Uh,
be giving in that place. Here in Chennai city, Airtel is charging 1,700 rupees for 300 Mbps
okay.
and unlimited call. I can talk for 24 hours over the phone within the country. So maybe some other small, I mean, sub internet provider is providing it to you, but it
Yes,
is
sir.
okay. Now your voice is heard correctly. Everything is good. Very good. I am happy.
Okay.
Acha, you are
Okay.
sitting, you are, this is the artificial screen you have put, or is it general place only?
General
General
place
only.
only.
Oh, very
sir.
nice. It has come very well. Your design
Okay.
has come very well.
Thank you,
So
sir.
you are from that village. What is your father?
My father is a teacher, government teacher.
Oh, government teacher. Which classes are he teach? Is he teaching?
He is from, he was teaching from primary school student.
He was. Why are you telling he was? Has he retired?
No, sir, no.
He is. He is even
He
now. He is teaching. How
Yes,
old
sir.
is he?
He's 55 on.
55 only. Very young. Acha. Now, what? How old is your mother? What is she doing?
She is a homemaker,
Good.
age 42.
Only 13 years
42.
gap. 13 years gap.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Baba. Excellent. In those days, that is all very common. Nowadays, you don't have any gap, boys age, girls age, same.
Mm.
Or girl will be older than
Boy.
this boy. అలాగా ఒక పిక్చర్ వచ్చింది. దాంట్లో హీరోయిన్ లవ్ చేశారు, కానీ హీరోయిన్ ఇస్ ఎ ఫ్యూ డేస్ ఓల్డర్. అండ్ దే
Okay.
అలాగా, వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద మూవీ తెలీదు, తెలుగులో వచ్చింది. ఐ సా దట్ ఇన్ ప్రైమ్ వీడియో. This boy belongs to some place in Andhra Pradesh village. He is going to start a hotel in Kurnool. That maybe you have not seen that movie. Doesn't matter. Good. How many siblings do you have?
2 siblings, sir. Elder brother, younger brother.
Very good. Acha acha. Bada boy, chota boy. All boys,
sir.
boys. Very baba. Always fighting.
No, sir, no.
No fighting? Untundi.
No, sir. My younger.
When you are younger, fighting చేస్తుంటారు. అలాగే
Yes,
కదా
sir.
ఇప్పుడు కూడా మీరు బడా బడా సిబ్లింగ్, వాట్ ఈస్ హీ డూయింగ్?
He is
Yeah.
a private teacher only.
Acha, he is working as a teacher.
Teacher, sir.
Private teacher. Is he taking competition classes? No.
No, sir, no. He is
No.
not taking competition.
He is teaching some school.
Yes, sir.
Very good. But nowadays very trouble now because of this corona.
Yes, sir.
Private school means they will not give salary also. In fact, నేను
Yes,
ఎందుకు అలాగ అడగానంటే పొద్దున, బికాజ్ ఎక్కడో నేను చదివాను, తెలంగాణలో టీచర్స్ కు సమ్ వేజ్ ఇయ్యలేదని, సాలరీ ఇయ్యలేదని ఎక్కడో చదివాము.
అవును.
Oh,
అవును, sir.
acha. Very good.
So
So you are
he will. Okay.
yeah. Your younger brother, what is he doing?
He is a recently qualified chartered accountant, sir.
He is also.
chartered accountant. Recently. Yes, sir.
Acha, when did you qualify?
I am qualified at May 2019.
Arey Baba, 2019 May. And
Yes,
your younger brother has qualified now only?
Now only, sir.
Very
January
good.
2020.
Very good. Ante, next question Miko. What you have been doing since 2019 May?
I am practicing in town only, sir. Nirmal town.
Acha.
I am practicing chartered.
Oh, very
COP,
good.
Certificate of practice.
Acha. You are having private practice.
Yes, sir. Private
Oh.
practice.
Kumar, did we talk earlier? Mundu mana matladama? Leda.
Not.
Maybe for some other company kosam. First time. Acha. Very good. So you are working as a practicing chartered accountant in Nirmal, and
Yes.
yeah, do you get sufficient number of clients in your own place, or do you try to get clients
Yes.
from outstation also?
I'm trying to get the clients from outstation also.
Mhm. Very good. What type of work
you.
are you doing?
Sir, it is a directly taxation work is more in this town.
Mhm.
It like that income tax returns filings,
Mm,
GST returns filings,
mm,
or TDS returns filings.
mm.
Mostly tax return filings are
Oh,
more in my town
only
because of the
returns filing.
very
Returns filing. Hello.
only returns filing. Hello, tell me, sir.
Only returns filing. Good, good, good. అర్థమైంది.
Returns
అచ్చా.
filing.
Ah,
Okay, sir.
returns filing. Good, good, good. Very good, very good. So, since when are you doing it? Last 2 years,
Last
roughly,
2 years. I
roughly
am
2 years.
I am roughly. Sir, already I am associate with another firm which is a very very good name in this town. I
Prominent
am
name,
associated with the
prominent
prominent
company.
with this
Ah. So
prominent
you are
company.
working for them
Uh,
also. You are
yes,
working
sir.
for them also. Do they know that you are doing private
You know.
practice also?
Yes, sir.
They know it. Very good. Because in some
They know.
companies, they will not allow you to do private practice and all. They will say, Are, you will take away all my customers. So please don't do it like that. They will tell you. Very good. So you are a practicing chartered accountant who is mainly dealing with income tax and also GST. Correct?
GST.
Yeah.
Other audits are other government audits also there, sir, but it's a timely every year bank audits
Hmm.
or
Acha, you go for
every
bank
year
audits also.
insurance.
Oh, insurance company also you will
Yes, sir,
audit.
bank audits, sir.
Acha, very good.
Yes, sir. The
Now, when you go to
New India.
insurance company, what are the things you will verify in audit?
Uh,
Yeah,
when I went to
you try to
the
recollect before your mind a company which you really did audit. అక్కడ ఏం చేశారో అది చెప్పండి.
yes, when we went to the audit, when we went to the insurance audit, total compliances we checked that. Compliances means he will file the TDS returns in time or not.
Hmm.
Any compliances are irregular or not.
Hmm.
What is the rate he deduct the TDS and regularly file the TDS returns or not, or
Hmm.
what is the company expenditure, whether
Hmm.
expenditure is reasonable or not.
Hmm.
We check that only. Or
Hmm.
another version, what is the claims? These claims are within the guidelines of the company or not.
Hmm.
We check that. We check that only, sir.
Claim settlement. You are talking about
Claim settlement.
insurance claim settlement, whether it is done correctly
Yes.
or not. Correct?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh, so what was your experience in that? Or the claims were settled properly, or you found out some mistakes?
Mostly the claims are settled as per guidelines of the company rules.
వేరియేషన్ ఉంటంటే
Small
ఎలాగ ఉంటుంది?
any
డీవియేషన్ ఉంటంటే ఎక్కడ ఎలాగ ఉంటుంది? అర్థమైందా? డీవియేషన్
may
డీవియేషన్ అంటే ఏమేమి డీవియేషన్ చేసుంటారు?
deviation means the insurance already over, but the claim settlement, the accident was done after the insurance period, but he can use and settle the claims. Mainly that was the most of the cases he will done. Or another one is
delay in claim settlement or what? మాకు అర్థం అవ్వలేదు.
no,
మీరేం
sir.
మీకు ఏం చెప్తున్నారని అర్థం అవ్వలేదు.
Okay.
చెప్పండి.
Okay, sir.
What type
Insurance
of
period
deviation
is
is?
over. Insurance period is complete.
Oh, insurance
Total
period
insurance
completed.
period is yes, sir. After that, it is done.
Afterwards,
Accident is
claims are
occurred
made.
after that.
Afterwards, claims are made. And it was
afterwards,
was it paid by the company? They would not have paid, na? They paid
They
the,
would not
they
paid,
paid,
but
they
relations or
paid.
something.
Maybe they would have told that this
Yes, sir.
incident happened prior to the date of ending of the
Yes,
policy. Alaga. Very good, very good.
yes, sir.
That's a good point you told correctly. Then that is right. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్సూరెన్స్ is very bad industry. ఎందుకంటే
Mm.
they take lot of money from us. ఇప్పుడు మెడిక్లెయిమ్ ఇన్సూరెన్స్ దాంట్లో the premium is increased like anything. ముందు మన ఈ బ్యాంక్ మేనేజర్ కోసం they introduced a policy. First it was 7,000 rupees per year for 4 lakhs
Okay, sir.
coverage. ఇప్పుడు ఎంత తెలుసా
Okay.
మీకు? 38,000.
Okay.
అలాగలాగా రైజ్ చేశారు. సిమిలర్లీ దర్ ఇస్ వన్ ఆరోగ్య రక్ష పాలసీ. ముందు 7,000, ఇప్పుడు 11,000, తర్వాత ఏమో 22,000 అవుతుంది ఫ్రమ్ 1st July.
Okay.
What is the authority controlling insurance companies?
IRDA, sir.
Where is
Insurance
IRDAI?
Regulatory Dou-
Where is IRDAI?
IRDA is New Delhi.
No, Hyderabad.
IRDA is Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Subhash Chandra Kuntia is the chairman.
Okay.
Okay, very
Okay.
good. So now you
Okay,
were
sir.
telling mainly about you are a senior person. You already done lot of service and all in practicing chartered accountancy. That's good. Now, can you tell me some interesting experiences you had during the last 2 years while practicing for you or for the company? Yeah.
Okay, sir. Interesting experience. This is a very large number of interesting experiences there. I am dealing with very large.
Large number చెప్పకూడదు. I have a lot
Okay,
of
sir.
experiences or more
Okay.
number of experiences అని చెప్పాలి. అర్థమైందా? English
Number of-
mistake. Yeah. Number of experiences. Good.
Number of experiences. I have dealing with many clients. He is a turnover network, sir, more than 20 crores, 30 crores. Many businesses, many HP outlets, or many trading, manufacturing, many things are there. Every business I audit with many tax audit with many businesses. Very interesting to know about how the business is running, or what is the gains or what is the drawbacks in that business. I very interested to know about that.
Very good. Good.
Next is the bank.
Next
Bank
is
audit also very interesting. Next is I went to the bank audits. Audits also very interesting. I know what is a banking business, how dealing with the bank with the people, or how is the banking lending the money or depositing, taking the deposits from the public. What is the current economic situations? What is the rate? How they grow the business, give the advances, and what is the how they will analyze which customer is a good customer or which customer is a NPA customer.
bad
Nowadays
customer.
banks are getting
Yeah, nowadays banks are getting more NPA customers. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Which accounts are called NPA? What are the
More
accounts
than
that are
is
called
the
as
interest.
Hmm.
The account no credit more than 90 days. Very interest or principal.
Very good.
More than 90 days.
They are
not
called
credit,
as NPA.
NPA, not
You
for
know the
finance.
classification of NPA accounts?
Standard assets, substandard assets, doubtful assets. I know
And loss assets.
loss assets.
Loss assets. Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
What do you understand by a writing off of loan?
Writing of loans means he cannot record assets. Writing of loans.
Writing off loan means providing all the entire balance of the account as an expenditure and taking it to
Yes, sir.
credit of the account, and
Okay.
that's what it is. Thereafter, if possible, it will be recovered and credited to the income account. Okay,
Okay.
excellent. Now that much for general discussion. Now I am
Okay.
going to Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Okay,
sir. Okay,
ready,
sir.
steady,
Ready, sir.
go.
Ready, sir.
Did you go through the website?
Yes, sir. I go through that website.
I went through the website.
Okay,
అలాగ
I went
చెప్పాలి.
through the website.
I went through the website
Okay.
అని చెప్పాలి. Acha, this
Okay.
HPCL, for which post have you applied?
Sir, I have applied chartered accountant post.
Acha, it is for the post of chartered accountants. How many vacancies did they say?
Total vacancies is at 22.
20.
In that, general is at 22 vacancies.
General is
General is 12. OBC is 5. Or SC ST is there. Another is SC ST.
Acha, you are belonging to which category of this thing?
OBC, sir. OBC.
OBC. That means you have 17 vacancies. 5 under OBC, 12 under general also can be taken by you.
Yes, sir.
Not a problem. Good.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. Manchidi. How old are you?
Okay.
What is your age?
Sir, I am 27.
20?
27 years, 3 months.
27.
27 years.
Yeah. Pelli
3
ainda?
months.
Pelli ainda?
No, sir, I am not engaged only. I am not. Marriage is July 1st.
Oh, engage aindi. Oh, manchi mata. Very happy.
Thank you, sir.
What is your would be doing?
Thank you,
Is she working or not?
She is working, sir. She was completed BTech, Triple E.
Acha.
He is working. He is working in Naukri.com for HR recruiter.
Oh, very good, very good, very good. She can get you more jobs. Naukri.com, she can get you more jobs. Good, good, good. Excellent. Manchidandi. Very good. No, actually, for fun's sake, this type of question can be asked. So what are the qualities you looked into while selecting her? Cheppandi. Because you are an adult only, you are not a child. Cheppandi. మీరు ఎందుకు అమ్మాయిలో చూస్ చేశారు? But don't tell. Probably if she sees this video, she may get angry. No problem. Anyhow, thank you so much. Now, now the interesting aspect of the activity is now we are into HPCL. We are going to HPCL. We are going to HPCL. Now tell me what you will be doing for us. What you'll be doing for HPCL. In what way you will be of help to us? Tell me.
Okay, sir. I am qualified chartered accountant. I know the taxation laws and GST laws. In our company, this is a very important because of the every company need an accountant and law knows the law. Who knows the law is the best doing the taxation and accounting work. I am qualified to help to the help in the taxation and accounting works for our company.
Okay, everybody else also will do that. మీకు ఎందుకు select చేయవచ్చు?
Okay.
Why should I select you and not others?
Okay.
Cheppandi. Why should I select you and not others? అచ్చా, ఏమైనా డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉందా? సౌండ్ వస్తుందా మీకు? లేదా?
క్లియర్ గా ఉంది.
క్లియర్ గా ఉందా?
క్లియర్లీ సార్.
నో సౌండ్ కదా?
Sound was very clear. No sound, no disturbance.
No disturbance. Very good. Cheppandi. Why should we give preference to Mr. Kumar?
Mm, I am very interested to work with the environment, with any environment. I can adjust with the people. Uh, mm,
Hmm,
I can addict the. I can doing work with the. I am a quick learner.
hmm,
I am a quick learner.
hmm. Good.
Uh,
I am a quick
I
learner.
am a.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Then,
Mm, I am a self motivated person.
hmm,
In case of any in case any situations,
hmm,
I can.
hmm. Okay. ఇంకా కొంచెం
Okay,
ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. You have to prepare yourself. ఇంకా
okay, sir.
కొంచెం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇంత కాన్ఫిడెంట్ గా చెప్పాలి. యు ఆర్ నాట్ అన్
Okay, sir.
చోటా అబ్బాయి కాదు. యు ఆర్ 27-year
Okay,
old. యు ఆర్ బీన్ సర్వింగ్ ఫర్ 2 years. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ కావాలి. మీరు
okay, sir.
యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు కంపీట్ విత్ అదర్ బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్ హూ కెన్ టాక్ విత్ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్. సో అందుకే
Okay,
మీకు కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ ఎక్కువ ఉండాలి.
okay, sir.
సో ఇంకా ఐ థింక్ ఐ హావ్ పోస్టెడ్ అ వీడియో టుడే. మీరు చూసారా అది లేదా? ఒక వీడియో
లేదు సార్
ఒక వీడియో వేసాము. దాంట్లో ఏం చెప్పినానంటే, ఐఎమ్ అ క్విక్ లెర్నర్, ఐఎమ్ గుడ్ ఇన్ టైమ్
Okay.
మేనేజ్మెంట్, ఐ పొసెస్ లీడర్షిప్
Okay.
స్టైల్స్, ఐ ఆమ్ అ క్రియేటివ్ పర్సన్, ఐ అండర్టేక్ మోర్
Okay.
రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీస్ అన్ని you have to tell. You can see my video also and try to know about
Okay.
that. So this is a general question. For example, why should we select you? This is one question. And
Okay, sir.
the same answer will be there for what are your strengths? Same thing. What are your strengths? Also, same thing. Now, మీరు చెప్పినారు you are doing lot of servicing for income tax and also what is that GST. Correct? Please tell me
Okay, sir.
what are the changes that have come about recently in income tax filing?
Recently, income tax filing, sir.
Hmm.
In the recently income tax filing, sir, very much changes with through the technology. In these cases, e-filings are very quicker, very easily file the income tax returns. Generally, in older days, we should go through the tax consultant and file through the any assessee file through the tax consultant. But in nowadays, income tax department is very easy filings, and very easily process the returns in very fast, very quick process the returns. Income tax returns are very quickly processed nowadays because of many changes in the IT enabled services.
ఇక్కడ ఒక పాయింట్ మీరు మిస్ చేశారు. ప్రీ-ఫిల్డ్ ఫార్మ్స్. అది
pre-filled forms.
I don't know about that
Which is-
and how it can be made
Yes,
use
sir,
of also మాకు తెలీదు. You have to mention about that.
Okay.
Okay. What is the now
Pre-filled.
taxation
Yes, sir.
rate? What is the taxation rate now?
Up to 250,000 to 5 lakhs, and any individual is age below 60 is not a senior citizen. He up to 250,000 tax rate is 0. 250,000 to 5 lakhs tax rate was a 5%. In this assessment year, two provisions are there: old provision or new provision. In case old provision, these rates are available, sir. 5 lakh up to 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, 20%. More than 10 lakhs, 30% slab is one group. Or very new provision is a very different concept. This is a in older provision, section 80C deductions. These are totally available for
Hmm.
older provision. Any assessee opt for new provision, the rate was different because 5% up to 2 lakh 55%,
Hmm.
250 to 5 lakh, it is a 10%. Then next 5 lakh to 8 lakhs, 15%.
Hmm.
Then 8 lakh to 10 lakhs, 20%. More than 10 lakhs, 25%. In this case, the assessee was not should be claimed for deductions, ATC deductions or ATD deductions.
No. I think you are wrong.
This is
Wrong, Cheparu. Above 5 lakhs, only income tax is coming. Above 5 to 7.5, 5%. 7.5 to 10, 10%. 10 to 12.5, something like that it goes. So once again, you please verify that and get to know. I think there was a
okay,
mistake.
sir.
మీరు చెప్పినదు దాంట్లో ముద్దు there was some mistake. So you please get to know the rates. It must stay in your mind. ఇంకొకసారి చెప్పండి. What is the rates now?
The rates was a older provisions or new
Old
provisions, both are there.
omit చేయండి. New provision చెప్పండి.
New provision was a 0 to 2.5 zero tax, sir. 2.5 to more than 5 lakhs, 5%.
Above 5 only charge చేస్తున్నారు కదా. I think
Already 5 lakhs, but
no, 1 minute.
87A.
No. I think because 80cc is not allowed, so they will start only above 5 lakhs.
That's
You
not
are, what you are telling,
5 lakh.
2.5 is wrong. I think that is not required. 1 minute.
No, sir, 87A rebate is there. 87A rebate is there. 5 lakhs, 12,000 rebate section.
Rebate
More
section.
than 5 lakhs, he will
Up to 5 lakhs rebate ఇచ్చేస్తున్నారు. Correct?
rebate 87. Yes, sir.
Oh, ఇక్కడ న్యూ ఇన్కమ్ ట్యాక్స్ స్లాబ్ రేట్స్ మీరు చెప్పినది కరెక్ట్ అనుకుంటాము. ట్యాక్స్ రేట్స్ యాజ్ పర్ న్యూ రిజిమ్ 2.5 to 5 lakhs 5%. గుడ్. మీరు చెప్పినది కరెక్ట్. వెరీ గుడ్. Above 5 lakhs to 7.5, 12,500 plus 10% of the amount exceeding 5 lakhs. 7.5 to 10 lakhs, 37,500 plus 15,000 total income exceeding 7.5. Then 10 lakhs to 12.5, 20%, 12.5 to 15%, 25%, and above some limit. Above 15 lakhs, it is 30%. Good. So Kumar is correct. I am happy. You told rightly. Good. Very good. So you are right that nowadays returns are being filed through computer and everything is processed through internet, and it is this, I mean, refunds are made quickly. ఇప్పుడు ఏమో మీరు చదివారా ఏమో రీఫండ్ చేసినలో ఏమో ఫ్రాడ్ వచ్చిందని ఐ రెడ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ న్యూస్ పేపర్. మీరు చదివారా లేదా?
లేదు సార్. నో సార్.
మీరు చెకప్ చేసుకోండి. There has been some frauds committed in income tax refund without refund being made. Without tax being made, refund is made to them. అది ఎలాగని తెలీదు, చూసుకోండి. Good. Very good. Now, can I answer next question? Please tell me something about GST returns. What is the role of chartered accountant in that?
Okay. In nowadays, GST registration was taken above 20 lakhs turnover. Any assessee more than 20 lakhs turnover, he can register with the GST and he can regularly file with the GST return. But he was very interested in the business, but he don't know the GST laws and how to file in a GST return. He is not interested to know the GST tax laws. In these cases, in my village, many traders are there. because I am helping with that. I am helping to the business person in filing of GST return. How to make the bills, or how to sell, how to make the invoice, and how to purchase, how to maintain the books and record. I
అదే
will make
అదని
that.
చెప్తున్నారు. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. సో యు నో దట్ వాట్ ఆర్ ద రిటర్న్స్ టు బి ఫైల్డ్ బై traders? Who should file about 20 lakhs, Nakya? Whose turnover is more than? No,
Whose turnover is more than.
up to what amount the trader need not file any GST return?
His total aggregate turnover is 20 lakhs. Below 20 lakhs, he need not register with the GST. Above 20 lakhs, he needs to compulsorily register.
అచ్చా, ఒక మాట చెప్పండి. If the turnover is less than 20 lakhs, should he collect GST from people or not?
No, sir. When he was a GST registration is there, that time only he need to collect the GST from the customer.
Oh, that means up to 20 lakhs turnover, the person need not collect any GST. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
మీకు అర్థమవుతుందా? మన ఒక ట్రేడర్ ఉంటున్నారండి, వాడికి టర్నోవర్,
Yes, sir.
టోటల్ టర్నోవర్ 15 lakhs per year. Should he collect GST from his customers? Can he collect?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir. He is not able to collect. No, sir.
He
is
should
not
not
able to
collect
collect
because,
the GST because.
and he need not remit also.
Ah,
Only about 20 lakhs.
yes, sir.
Adi, so like this,
About 20
they
lakhs.
will confuse you. You please get to know that clearly. What are the returns he should submit every month?
Every month, total 3 returns are there. GSTR 3, total 3, GSTR 3B is a summary return. What is the purchases, ITC input tax credit for that month only, or what is the sale, and how much tax collection. This is a summary return called GSTR 3B. Or
I think under
every month
ఏమో చూసాము, GSTR 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 అని మెనీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. అదన్నీ ఏమన్నీ తెలుసుకోవండి, సో దట్ యూ కెన్ టెల్ అబౌట్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్లీ. కరెక్ట్? వెరీ గుడ్. వాట్ ఆర్ యువర్ హాబీస్?
hobbies. My
Acha,
hobbies
your
is-
interview is
hobbies
going to be, your interview is going to be through internet or in person?
Sir, up to till we don't any intimation from the HPCL.
Mostly, I think it will be.
conducting
Mostly, I think it will be in internet only, through Zoom only, like
Yes,
this.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
I don't know, because I conducted one HPCL interview for a lawyer. She had it in person in those days. It was done
Okay.
in person. So, but of course, result రాలేదు. ఏమో ఇంత లేట్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఏమో తెలియదు. ఆర్ యు అవేర్ వాట్ HPCL లో ఎలాగా డెసిషన్ తొందరగా తీసుకున్నారా, లేట్ అవుతుందా? తెలీదు.
I don't know about.
No problem. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Now, now tell me, what are your hobbies?
Sir, I am very much interested to know about the politics of Indian history. Very much interested to know about the politics.
Politics.
I am traveler.
Traveling. You
and,
enjoy traveling. Very good.
Yes,
What are the states to which you have traveled in India?
In India and Karnataka, Kerala. Kerala.
Tamil Nadu వచ్చినారా లేదా?
Andhra Pradesh. No, sir. When I went to Kerala, Tamil Nadu, in Salem, we stay in the Salem.
For a few days. Yeah. Tarvata.
But we.
So Karnataka, Kerala, and Telangana, Andhra. Okay.
Okay.
which government is different compared to all this? Among these governments, which government's policies are different? Which
I think
government?
Kerala government.
Yeah, Kerala government is different
Kerala-
because they are supposed to be following communist. అలాగ చేస్తున్నారో
Yes,
లేదో
sir.
తెలీదు కానీ అలాగ దట్ ఈస్ కమ్యూనిస్ట్. అండ్ కేరళ మీరు వెళ్ళిన సమయంలో చూసారా? లాట్ ఆఫ్ డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ అని చూసారా లేదా?
చూసాను sir.
చూసారా?
Observe it.
అక్కడ రోజు డెమాన్స్ట్రేషన్ ఉంటుంది,
ధర్నా.
ధర్నా ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ధర్నా చేయలేదంటే దే వోంట్ హ్యావ్ ఫుడ్. దట్ ఈస్ రెగ్యులర్ వర్క్ చేస్తుంటారు. వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్. దట్స్ రైట్. సో వాట్ ట్రావెల్ ఈజ్ యువర్ హాబీ? ఇంకా ఏమి హాబీ?
Playing cricket, watching cricket
Oh.
is interesting for every.
Yeah, everybody. Cricket is very interesting for everybody. IPL news ఏమండి ఇప్పుడు? What is the news about IPL?
It's a ban. IPL is not
Abandoned now, stop అయింది.
not
ఇంకా కంటిన్యూ చేస్తున్నారో ఏమో అని తెలీదు. BCCI wants to
start
start
sir, now.
and go ahead in say Saudi Arabia countries, so that they will get, otherwise they will lose a lot of monies. అందుకే చేస్తున్నారు.
Okay.
వెరీ గుడ్. సో క్రికెట్ ఈజ్ యువర్ హాబీ, వాచింగ్ అండ్ ఆల్సో ప్లేయింగ్. మీ విలేజ్ లో క్రికెట్ ప్లే చేస్తున్నారా? లేదు కదా?
Yes, sir.
ప్లే చేస్తుంటారా?
Yes, sir.
ఓ వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ గుడ్, వెరీ హ్యాపీ. బట్ ఈ రోజులో ఎక్కడండి, ఈ ఈ కరోనా పీరియడ్ లో ఓ బాబా ఏమి చెప్పాలి, ఏమీ లేదు. అందరూ ఈ ఇంట్లో కూర్చుంటారు. అలాగే కదా? వెరీ
Yes,
గుడ్.
sir.
మీ పెళ్లి ఏ రోజు డేట్ ఫిక్స్ చేశారు?
July 1st.
ఇప్పుడా?
July 1st is
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుందా?
yes, sir.
జూలై 1st?
ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది.
ఇంత తొందరగా అంటే ఓన్లీ 50 పీపుల్ క్యాన్ అటెండ్ కదా?
No, sir. July is 1 month is there now.
So
That
you are
time
hopeful,
only-
you are hopeful that things will get settled. Very good. Best wishes. That is right. And your wife is a
Okay.
engineer, triple E. Good.
Oh.
Excellent, excellent. Engineer, chartered accountant. కలుస్తుందా బాగా ఆర్ ఫైట్ అవుతుందా? Say yes. Yes only. I know you are just smiling.
Okay.
Say yes. There won't be any issues అని చెప్పాలి. అర్థమైందా?
Okay.
Good.
Sure.
Very good, very good. And yeah, this is the first time you are attending interviews. అందుకే మీకు కొంచెం సిగ్గు వస్తుంది. And you are maybe that is the reason. But remember, you are not an ordinary person. Acha, before CA ఏం చదివారు మీరు? BCom.
I am become
BCom చదివారు. BCom లో ఎంత పర్సెంటేజ్ తీసుకున్నారు? How much mark? How many marks?
60%.
Only 60. Why?
62.
Why only
62%.
62? Very less.
Sir, I am simultaneously continue with the BCom or CS degree.
Oh, both studying.
I-
Both studying. Then it's
both
okay.
studying simultaneously.
Then it is okay. Very
Okay.
good, very good. CA lo first attempt or second attempt?
No,
Exams,
sir, I took many attempts.
different
I took
attempt.
different attempts.
Oh, very
4
good.
attempts.
Many attempts చెప్పకూడదండి. I passed it in a few 2-3 attempts అలాగా చెప్పండి, something like that. Don't say many. Many చెప్తే yeah, that's one thing. Good, very good. Anyhow, nice talking to you. Do you get any
Okay.
doubts in your mind now? This is only half
No, sir.
interview. I have not started it fully. HPCL ఇంకా రాలేదు. తర్వాత
Okay.
వెళ్తాము. But do you, next time when we meet, I will go straight into HPCL.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's what it is. So do you get any questions, doubts in your mind now?
No, sir, nothing. I am
No?
very happy to interact.
Very good. Thank you. And I'm
I'm
also happy that you have taken it up very sportively. and you have answered very
Okay.
nicely. మీరు ఒక పని చేయవచ్చు, because your younger brother is also chartered accountant. You can talk like this. You can ask him to sit before one cell phone. You can sit before another laptop or cell phone and ask him to conduct mock interview like this.
Okay, sir.
You conduct
That's
mock
a good
interview
idea.
for him. Let him conduct mock interview for you. That will be best.
Okay.
Okay. I'm really
Sir, that's a
happy.
good idea.
Yeah. Best wishes. I think in routine course, I can easily give you 8 to 9, 8 to 8.5, 9 out of 10. Good.
Okay.
Because you are talking nicely. It's not that you are not done any big mistakes and all. And
Okay.
good. The confidence only somewhat less. You were looking down somewhere. Probably you were writing. Tell you the end chestunanani. Don't look down.
Yes.
Look at the eyes of the interviewers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, that is what is important. And sitting posture ఇంకా బాగా ఉండాలి. బాగా కూర్చోండి. ఇంకా ది స్క్రీన్ లో ఎలాగ దొరుకుతుందని మీకు తెలుసుకోవాలి. స్క్రీన్ లో ఇట్స్ ఓకే. దిస్ ఇస్ ఓకే. బట్ ఫర్ అ రియల్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ యుల్ బి వేరింగ్ ఫుల్ ఆర్మ్ షర్ట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్. అక్కడ యూ కెన్ బి సీన్ అప్ టు సమ్ మోర్ లెవెల్ ఆల్సో లైక్ దిస్.
Okay, sir.
Because either only like this, up to this is no good. Maybe they will ask you to go back like this. You go back. You go back now. Even now it is not coming. Maybe you have to adjust your screen. Screen adjust cheyandi. You are not seeing.
Okay, sir.
Good. See here,
Okay.
now you are wearing for this is mock interview, so you are wearing like this. But kani real interview full arm shirt ani veskuntaru, you will look very nice.
Okay.
Smile. Smile. Kumar, best wishes. God bless you. So once the
Thank you, sir.
interview is allotted, when you want to go for before the interview, you again tell me, we can have another meeting like this. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Again, I will ask for 100 rupees. Don't mind.
Okay, sir. I will pay.
Yeah. Thank you. Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
8.5 out of 10. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.